Hello, my name is Chris Johnson. I would like to introduce you to the ONPASSIVE O wallet, where wallet-to-wallet transfers are 100% safe with no charge. Your company pays 1.3 to 3.5% to credit card companies for a service they provide to your business to sell your items. If you are a founder of ONPASSIVE, we have a wallet-to-wallet transfer with instant cash. No waiting for your money, no percentages taken out. This will save your business thousands of dollars a year. The cost to become a founder is $97. You then have an activation fee of $300 or less when we launch. You will never have to come out of pocket again. You also will be earning a residual income through ONPASSIVE for just becoming a founder. So if you're looking for a brand new way to not only save money but also make money, all you have to do is get back with me. And I will send you an invitation link to join. We have over 50 digital products that all are AI induced. We also have physical products. ONPASSIVE also owns 2 floors in the tallest building in the world. Right now we have over 1,300,000 customers before we even launch. Estimated in our first year after we launch is 100 million customers worldwide. This founder's position will be closing soon, but you will still have the opportunity to become a reseller after the launch. ONPASSIVE will also drive direct traffic to your business. We also have O-Staff that will organize your complete business. O-Staff has everything you need all in one. No more jumping from platform to platform. We also have O-Connect, similar to Zoom, that has auto-translation to just about any language in the world. If you're a business owner, this is a must for your company. If you would like to learn more about ONPASSIVE, please get back to the person that shared this video.